Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2019 Chevy Trax. And on this Chevy Trax we're going to go over how you would replace your parking light side marker light here on the back. So same thing, you'll need to pop your hatch, then you'll remove these two screws. They're two Phillips screws that are behind these little covers. And then once those are done, then you can put your fingers down in here and be able to finger or a plastic pry bar and be able to pry it away, and then also grip and pull this away and it will snap out. And then you'll be able to spin this around. That way you gain access to the back here. And we need to twist this a quarter turn to the left or counterclockwise, and then we can be able to pull this light bulb out. And this light bulb, we would get a new light bulb to put in there. Yeah, it's a 5W5 is what this light would be. So you'd get a new 5W5, or it's a 12961 light. And so you just get a new one of them and then be able to take that light, line it up, snap it back into place, and then be able to line up this in the housing. They're all the same size, so it doesn't matter which way it goes. Get it in there, quarter turn to the right to lock it into place, and then you'll be able to flip this around, line up the tabs there, press, snap it into place, and put the screws in. And so that's how you would be able to replace your side marker / parking light out here on the back. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.